of green, but it is not like a dark shade of green anywhere. The breath is looking strong. Okay, just when I thought it's a sea of green, you got a bit of red also. So flat start with a positive market breadth. That is how I would describe the market. Flat start with a positive market breadth. Not too many newsmakers, but it's TCS earnings time Thursday, followed by Reliance, where a series of upgrades have come. Third is HDFC Bank, the darling of the market, but everybody, at least the major brokerages, are saying that look, credit cost is moving higher. Watch the back of that stock. So HDFC Bank is down. Reliance is not showing any signs of energy. Very little follow-up buying is there in the market. So the market breadth is now getting very, very weak, which in a sense seems to be the pain point. That the rank mid-cap stocks are not the ones where action is making a comeback. So very flat start, Aisha, sometimes you have to struggle with your vocabulary to explain the market. It's flat, it's nothing, it's going nowhere, but that's the way it is.
Yeah, that may be at an index level, but lots going on, stock specific, of course, like you just flagged off. There's Reliance, which is holding up by nearly about 1%. I'm going to see what Tata Steel is up to. The Q3 India business production has seen an uptick of about 6.25%. The deliveries also have seen an uptick of 8.5%, but no rub-off on the stock whatsoever. There's, of course, Castrol, Gland Pharma, NBCC, Phoenix Mills, Solar Industries, Torrent Power. They all get included now in the F&O universe. And look at the buoyancy on most of those, especially NBCC holding up almost 2.5% as we speak right now. There's Sobha Developers, weak quarterly sales numbers, surprisingly. So that's definitely a stock in focus, 2% lower as we speak right now. The Q3 sales have seen a downtick of 29%, although the average price realization has seen an uptick of 16% on a year-on-year basis. What about Ola Electric? SEBI has issued a warning letter on the timely disclosure norms. The High Court has refused the relief in the CCPA case as well. So look out for this particular stock because, now that Karnataka High Court also has denied that relief in the ongoing probe, that stock has shrunk all the way to 76 odd levels. Berger Paints, AkzoNobel, the company clarification came in last evening that there is no material development in the matter. Remember, there were news going the rounds that perhaps there could be a takeover or a merger of the two companies. That completely gets negated. There's RVNL, which has signed an MOU with Dubai's GBH International to explore civil infra business in the GCC countries. Zomato, they've initiated a 15-minute food delivery service now, although the stock has corrected quite a fair bit like we were highlighting, and it's up to 50 now, by the way. So I think that would be a critical breach after quite a bit of time. KEC International bagged orders worth about almost 1,100 odd crore rupees across various of their businesses. Tata Technologies, which has signed an MOU for a next-gen software-defined vehicle solutions arm. So look out for that stock as well. That also could be in focus. What about the big movers from yesterday? Biocon, BSE, IndiaMart, NCC. Let's see where the buoyancy continues. And is there any follow-through uptick coming in on those stocks? NCC takes a bit of a pause. I want to see what Biocon is up to. That also is a little bit in a pause mode. But before we take it across to Rahul Chadda, who's right here in our studios, let me quickly take it across to Naresh Mirani and get in the first trades that he's punching in. Naresh?
So continued like Eicher Motors, that could be the leader in the auto pack, could eventually go towards 5,600 mark. So that's a buy.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.